Happy morning, dear friends. Here's yours, Dr. Rajanta. Welcome to Demystify with Ajay. Dear friends, today we are going to discuss on decomposition, which is one of the most powerful and beautiful ideas in all of linear algebra. It takes a square matrix and reveals its fundamental structure, that is a set of special direction, which we just say eigenvectors. An associated scaling factor, yes, that is what eigenvalue. That together tells us everything about what the matrix does. And yes, dear friends, here it is what a simple looking equation. A multiplied by V, which equals lambda multiplied by V. It looks small, but this single equation powers, yes, principal component analysis, noise reduction, data compression, graphic analysis, dynamical systems, yes, of course, a lot and lot. And this exact equation, yes, when matrix A multiplies a special vector V, the result is simply that same vector scaled by this number, that is lambda. Here the vector V is an eigenvector and the scale lambda is its corresponding eigenvalue. Finding all such pairs, that is lambda and V, is what decomposition is all about. And dear friends, of course, there is a prerequisite also. Yes, you should be comfortable with matrix multiplication, determinants, the null space, a matrix rank, and we will also use the concept of matrix shifting. And dear friends, in this session, we will uncover, yes, what eigenvalues and eigenvector really mean and why decomposition works only for square matrix, the geometric interpretations of stretching without rotating, how eigenvalue reveals important patterns in data, the characteristic polynomial, finding eigenvectors using the null space, and matrix diagonalization. And last, yes, why symmetric matrices are the superheroes of linear algebra. And added, yes, we will see why decomposition is the mathematical engine behind PCA and many machine learning algorithms. Dear friends, till now we understand what eigenvalues and what eigenvector represents. But here the question, how do we find them? The derivation starts from the eigenvalue equation and applies a sequence of logical steps, each building on concepts from the earlier sessions. So this is the exact one of the most elegant derivations in linear algebra. So yes, kindly just observe. Let me just start with the step 1. Yes, start with an eigenvalue equation, that is AV, which is equal to lambda V. Now, step 2, move everything to one side. So moving here, AV minus lambda V, which is equal to 0. And here, step 3, yes, we are just going to factor out V. That is requires converting lambda to lambda I. So, which it just makes us like A minus lambda I multiplied by V, which is equal to 0. Here, of course, you would have asked this one, why lambda I? Because actually, A minus lambda is a matrix minus a scalar, which is undefined. We need to subtract a matrix from a matrix. So, we use lambda I, that is a diagonal matrix with lambda on the diagonal. So, this is matrix shifting. Now, this step 3 says that V is a null space of A minus lambda I. Since we execute the trivial solution, V is equal to 0. That is, the 0 vector is never considered an eigenvector. And here the matrix A minus lambda I must be singular. So, only singular matrix has non-trivial null space. And dear friends, of course, we have already know that singular matrix have a determinant of 0, that is determinant of A minus lambda I, yes, which is equal to 0. So this equation is called the characteristic equation, and the polynomial you get by expanding the determinant is the characteristic polynomial. And dear friends, for an m into m matrix, this is polynomial of degree m in lambda. So it has exactly m roots, that is by the fundamental theorem of algebra. So giving as m eigenvalues. So let me just discuss that by using this code. So this script derives and verifies the eigenvalues of 2 into 2 matrix using both analytic formula and numerical computation, while highlighting key algebraic properties. This exact script derives and verifies the eigenvalue of 2 into 2 matrix using both analytic formula and numerical computation, while highlighting key algebraic properties. So yes, dear friends, here is the matrix definition. So we have the matrix A, which is equal to 1, 2 and 3, 4. Okay, and here of course it just explains the characteristic polynomial, that is for a generic matrix if we just have A, B and C, D. Okay, the eigenvalue satisfied, kindly just observe determinant of A minus lambda I, which is equal to 0. So here determinant of A minus lambda, B, C, D minus lambda, which is equal to A minus lambda multiplied by D minus lambda minus BC. And with this expanding, kindly just observe, dear friends, on simplifying this, we just get lambda square minus A plus D lambda plus AD minus BC, which is equal to 0. From this we just get trace, that is the sum of eigenvalue. So here it is trace of A, which is equal to 1 plus 4, which is 5. And the determinant, yes, the product of eigenvalues. So here determinant of A, which is equal to 1 multiplied by 4 minus 2 multiplied by 3. So which is equal to minus 2. So the characteristic equation here is, kindly just observe, let I just take it here. So lambda square minus 5 lambda minus 2, which is equal to 0. And solving this by using the quadratic formula, okay, so we are just going to have the value of lambda 1 and lambda 2. Okay, so let me just evaluate it, and with this we are just going to make a numerical verification by using NumPy, so which it just computes the eigenvalue using a numerical algorithm. And here all closed, yes, it just verifies equality, that is within floating point tolerance. And we have here the exact fundamental identities, yes, sum of eigenvalues and product of eigenvalues. Okay, so yes, and here let me just execute and verifies the result. And of course we have already identified the exact characteristic polynomial. Yes, kindly just observe, here we just have lambda square minus 5 into lambda minus 2, which is equal to 0. And by using quadratic formula, kindly just observe, so lambda, which is equal to 5 square minus 4 into minus 2, which is equal to 25 plus 8, which is 33. And here if I just want to go with lambda 1 and 2, so 5 plus or minus square root of 33 divided by 2. So numerically we just get lambda 1, yes, it would be as like 5.37, and lambda 2, yes, it would be minus 0.3723. So that it was, we just got it here. Numerical algorithm, it just computes the eigenvalues, and of course both are equal. So here it is the exact fundamental identities, dear friends. The script verifies two important variants. Yes, one is sum of eigenvalues by the trace, yes, summation of I, which is equal to 1 to m lambda sub I, which is equal to trace of A. And the second one, it is all about product of eigenvalues, that is product from I, which is equal to 1 to m of lambda sub I, which is equal to determinant of A. And here we just get, yes, this is at 5, and here we just get this value as minus 2. So yes, that is what we just obtained here. So sum of roots, which is trace, and product of roots, that is the determinant. And dear friends, here trace measures total scaling effect along principal directions. And here determinant measures area scaling, that is including orientation flip if negative. And for this matrix, one eigenvalue is positive, that is stretching in one direction. And one eigenvalue, it is in negative, that is reflection plus scaling in another direction. So this exact example illustrates eigenvalues encode intrinsic transformation behavior. That is, the matrix can be understood as stretching along one direction, flipping and compressing along another direction. So this exact code summarize, that is, walk through the full pipeline. So construct a matrix, derive characteristic polynomial, solve analytical, that is quadratic formula, and verify numerically. So confirm invariant relationship, that is trace and determinant. So it demonstrates that eigenvalue are not just computational artifacts, they are tightly constrained by fundamental algebraic properties of the matrix. We have discussed eigenvectors as special directions that remains unchanged in orientation. Eigenvalues tells us how much those directions stretch or shrink. The characteristic equation helps us uncover eigenvalues, and eigenvectors emerges from the null space of shifted matrices. And here the most important lesson is, yes, eigendecomposition is not about matrices. It is about finding hidden patterns. When data becomes complicated, eigenvector reveals the important direction. When data set becomes high dimensional, PCA uses eigenvector to simplify them. When noise hides useful information, eigenvalues help separate signals from noise. So that's why eigendecomposition powers PCA, machine learning, computer vision, signal processing, network analysis, financial modeling, scientific computing. Of course, dear friends, every time a machine learning model discovers hidden structure in data, eigendecomposition is often working quietly behind the scenes. I hope, I think so, this session would be very much useful. Yes, dear friends, the true power of mathematics lies not in solving equations, but in discovering the hidden patterns behind them. So thanks for watching. See you in the next session, dear friends. Happy learning.